yung book itself, ano siya eh, thought-provoking siya. Kasi yung idea ng the past doesn't define your future. I mean, like, in its simplest, yung school of thought na ganun, medyo sagasa siya sa sa nakasanayan natin eh.
It's siguro, we have conscious and subconscious mind, right?
Yeah.
So sa mga decision making natin, sa mga ginagawa sa buhay natin, we have this conscious which is intentional.
Yeah.
Ito yung mga logical na part ng isip natin. And we have this
Unconscious na.
subconscious.
Subconscious, yeah.
Subconscious, wherein this is more of yung sa emotions mo. Ito yung mga autopilot.
Yeah.
Autopilot when it comes to, halimbawa may mga nangyari, ito yung biglang may isip mong gawin. Ito yung biglang, pag may na-experience kang ganito, you feel sad. Kasi from your past, you always feel sad sa mga ginagawa mo. Right?
How do I get out from this problematic situation? But I have no choice but to compare myself, my work, my performance, my value with others so that I know if I'm actually really valuable. I think what the author is saying is there are tasks wherein you can control and dun ka dapat mag-focus and avoid mo yung mga things na wala kang control.
So you have the strength, you have the courage to be this guy kasi not everyone will like you for who you are.
Yeah. I don't think anybody likes to be this way.
Anybody
Oh, I think everybody
likes to be.
wants to be liked.
Makikiayon ka, hindi mo pwede i-push yung kung ano yung gusto mong mangyari for that group, for that community, for that team. Kasi ito sa tingin mo yung tama. Sa kanila, iba yung tama for them.
Yeah.
Kasi since ikaw yung pumapasok doon, ikaw yung makikiayon.
Yeah.